this lesson we're going to look at divisibility. We're going to find out what numbers divide into what numbers evenly. And to do this, we need to use the whole numbers. Now, the counting numbers with 0 will give you the whole numbers. Now, let's take a look at this division problem here. 2 into 10. 10 is a dividend, 2 is the divisor, 5 is the quotient. And if you notice, this 2 divides evenly into 10 because 0 is an even number. Now, let's put some more even numbers in there in place of the 0. Let's put a 2 in next, and you'll find that 2 will divide into 12. Let's put in a 4. 2 divides into 14 7 times. So whenever you put it, whenever the dividend there ends with an even number, it will divide by 2. But what about other numbers? Let's say a 3. Now, a 3 into 24. Now here's a little trick that you can apply. If you take the dividend and add the digits together, the 2 and the 4, you'll get 6. Now, 3 divides into 6. So that will tell you that 3 will also divide into 24, and it goes in there 8 times. That's when you're dividing with 3. So let's look at 4. How can you know whether 4 will divide evenly into a number? Well, if it's a multiple of the number, in this case 24. 4 times 6 will give you 24. So 4 is a multiple of 24. Let's go on to 5 next. If a dividend ends with a 5 or a 0, 5 will divide evenly into those numbers. So 5 goes into 25 5 times, and 5 goes into 10 2 times. All right, let's try something different here. How about 9? Now 9 is the same sort of situation as 3. Take the dividend, add the 2 digits together. In this case, you're going to get 9. And 9 will go into 9 evenly. So that's telling you that 9 will also go into 27. In this case, it goes in 3 times. Now how about 10? Well, if a dividend ends with a 0, then 10 will divide into it evenly. So 10 goes into 20 2 times, and 10 goes into 250 25 times. Now here's a chart. The numbers on the left hand side are going to be divided by the yellow numbers on the top, and let's see which ones go in there evenly. Now if you take 15, now if you add those 2 digits together, you get 6. So 3 will divide into 15, and it ends in a 5, so 5 will divide in there. If you take 27, add the digits together, you'll get 9. So both 3 and 9 will divide into 27. 45, add the digits together, you get 9. So both 3 and 9 will divide into it, and also 5 will, because it ends with a 5. 50. It ends in a 0, so 10 will divide into it, 2 will divide into it, because it ends with an even number, and 10 will divide into 50 because it ends in a 0. Thank you.